Hey guys, how's it going? Tech Pocket here, and today I'm gonna show you how to install Ubuntu onto your Windows PC. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go on your web browser and download Ubuntu Desktop from this website. The link is in the description in case you cannot find it. I highly recommend to download this kind of Ubuntu because it has more years of security and updates. So I highly recommend to download this one. Also, you can download the latest version of Ubuntu, but you might have less months of security and updates and stuff like that. So I have downloaded this one, and also you can change this the bits if you want. But if here says recommended, I recommend to select this one. But I'm gonna download on a machine which has less than 2 GB of RAM. But I have already downloaded. The next program that you need to download is called Universal USB Installer. Go on this website right here. This website actually. You can find it in the description if you can find it also. And click on this button, download UUI. And this will take some time to download. Then close the web browser and then find the program that you just installed. Then hit I agree. Then go on here, this box here, and I recommend to click on Try Unlisted Linux ISO. This doesn't do anything, by the way. Then click on Browse. Then look for the Ubuntu Desktop. I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna hit Open. Then go on this step 3 to select your USB drive. So this is my USB drive. I'm gonna select it. Oh, sorry. Also, hit on Format your USB drive. But this will delete all your files from your USB drive. So make sure to copy all your files from USB drive to your computer in case you won't lose them. Also, I recommend to have a minimum of 2 GB of free space on your USB drive. Then hit Create. I have already done it. And now you are okay with your USB driver and Linux Ubuntu. And now your USB drive has Ubuntu on it, and you can install it on any computer. So now I'm going to my PC, and I'm gonna eject this guy here. And now I'm going to take my USB driver and I'm going to install it on my laptop.
So right now I have Ubuntu onto this USB drive. So what I'm going to do right now with this, I'm going to plug this onto my laptop in order to install it. So now what you need to do is to turn on your computer, and before it starts putting Windows, just keep pressing F2, F3 or F4 or wherever F button it has to go to enter to the BIOS settings. In my case is F2. We're gonna turn on the PC, my computer. I'm gonna keep tapping on F2 in order to get to BIOS settings. There we go. So use your arrow keys to navigate. Then go on boot section and make sure to bring up USB hard disk. So just go on where it says USB hard disk and then press the arrow keys to go up. Unfortunately, this doesn't work on this computer. So if this did work on you, just go on save and exit. And then I'm gonna start tapping F11 in order to choose on what going to boot my computer. So I'm gonna select my USB name here. I'm gonna hit enter. If you want to test Ubuntu, just hit on this button by hitting enter. I'm gonna install Ubuntu on my laptop and I'm gonna hit enter. So now Ubuntu is starting up. After that, you will go immediately on Ubuntu, but you're only going to install it without testing it. If you wanted to press on the first button, you could test Ubuntu, but of course you had the option to install it by clicking on a shortcut on Ubuntu, but actually it's necessary because if you want to this, actually it's a little bit faster installation. So there you go, you're on the Ubuntu desktop. I'm gonna wait a little bit until the installation window will appear. Alright, so this is pretty simple. I'm gonna press English as the language, and I'm gonna do this later. So here, in order to basically to download the updates while installing Ubuntu, you have to plug in your computer onto basically your laptop onto the power source, but actually I don't have it right now. Basically I'm gonna do this a little bit later. Okay, I'm gonna just hit continue. Also, it has to be connected to the internet. Basically, this is only for test, not for completely installing Ubuntu. I'm just going to do only for doing the video. So here, because I have already installed Ubuntu onto my laptop, basically I'm gonna hit reinstall. Also, you have an option to install erasing the disk and then install Ubuntu onto your system. Basically this will erase all of your hard disk. Also it has another two option if you select this section here. Also you can choose something else by creating a partition, but I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna hit install right now. Okay, I'm gonna hit continue. Okay, so I'm gonna select United Kingdom. Okay, continue. Yes, English. I'm gonna type my name here. Okay, username, of course. I'm gonna type a quick password basically. Okay. Okay, fair, okay. Alright. Okay. Continue. And now just live, relax, sit back, and this will take some time to complete the installation. So actually right now what it does is copying the files on your computer, and basically on my previews, when I tried for first time to install Ubuntu on this machine, it took about 1 hour to install. So sit back and relax, and this will finish very soon. Alright, so one is finished, just click on restart now. Alright, so here you are on Ubuntu, and now you can access everything on Ubuntu. And basically that was the tutorial for today to install Ubuntu onto your PC or your laptop or wherever you want. So this was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my latest videos, my latest tutorials. Also make sure to follow me on Twitter, like my Facebook fan page, watch my latest videos, my latest tutorials, also my latest activities. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm gonna see you next time.